Hello friends, it's Sheree from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing today? Happy New Year. I'm here to announce a new open collab. I'm so excited. This is going to be with my good friend Maria. We got our heads together and decided we would like to do an open collab together. They're so much fun, and so this one's going to be for 2022 for the whole year, but it's only one day per month. So anyone can join in. That's why it's open. That's what open means. And what we're going to do is work with our scraps. So that's paper scraps, fabrics, and fabric scraps. And so we thought this would be fun because we all like to use up our scraps. And it's not too much pressure with one day per month. And you don't have to do every month. You can do just once or, every month, and or just one time, whatever you have time for. But just let us know, and we'll both link you in our description boxes or in our playlist. And also link the hashtag is going to be scraps with an S to treasures. So let me show you right here. Can you see it right here? This is a list of everything, information about the collab. So yeah, it's me and Maria, scraps to treasure, hashtag scraps to treasures. And so we need you to make sure you link our channels in your description boxes, or link us in your, add us to your Instagram posts. You can also do this if you're on Instagram. Just add us, make sure you add us so people know that we're the hosts, and so they can come to our channel and check out the playlist or whatever information we have in our description boxes. So that's the rule. That's, it's real simple. You link our channels, let us know so we can add you to our playlist. Use the hashtag in your title, scraps to treasures. And also, if you have room in your title, you can, I guess, link one of our channels, or just put our channel links in your description box. So let's talk about the prompts. So January through December 2022, and it's going to be the 28th of each month. We wanted to give you the whole month to figure out what you wanted to do, right? So this is not like, okay, open collab starting tomorrow. It's starting at the end of this month. So you have several days to figure out. And working with scraps usually isn't too hard to figure out. So we wanted to give you some prompts so that would help in figuring out what to do. I'm going to read them to you real quick, but if you don't hear what I'm saying, or you don't say you're trying to read this little, I made it this size so that everything would fit on one page. I didn't want to do more than one page, but all this information will be in our description boxes. So January, see, we're going to use our tags to make these things or add to these things. So just take, for example, January is tags. So my thoughts are, you can use your scraps to make a tag, or you can have a tag shape. Maybe you may want to make a tag base and add your scraps to it, right? Paper or fabric, or you can use wallpaper scraps, any kind of scraps like that we use in our junk journals and our paper crafting, And I'm going to show you my scraps right now. And if you saw my video, I did a craft room tour today. It came out today, so if you didn't see that, I show you what I've done and how I've organized my scraps. And as far as fabric, I didn't really show you my paper scraps, but I don't have very many of those. I'll show you, though. I have enough to get started on this collab, believe me. So let me just read you the prompts. February is pockets. March is envelopes. April is index cards. May is book pages. June is belly bands. July, paper clips. August, paper bags. September, bookmarks. October, postcards. November, masterboard. December, greeting card or journaling card, or all of the above, right? Greeting cards, journaling cards, whatever, anything like that. You can do both of those if you want. But so you get the point. I think these will really be fun. These are a list of things that, like I know I would like to work on, and sometimes I kind of put it off, and, if I need one for a journal or something. But it would be nice to just take some time and focus on and make a few of these for your craft stash, right? So you have them ready when you're creating a journal, or whatever you're creating, a lap book, or all this things we create in our paper crafting. So yeah, I think this will be super fun. It's starting the 28th. So that's it really. Now let me show you my scraps. Like I said, I showed you what I did with some of my fabric scraps in the video today in my crafting tour, but this is what's left. I want to make sure I'm telling you the truth. I'm looking around my craft room. This Ziploc bag is what's left of my fabric scraps that I haven't organized. Okay, this is not all of my fabric scraps, but this is the ones that I've shoved in this bag that I consider that I haven't organized. Like, there's strips I can take out of here and put into my strip organization, where I have long strips, I have shorter strip. Like, I have longer strips that I can use for a journal closure or a tassel. I have shorter strips that I can use for tags. I haven't organized like that. I have some in here that I could cut into little pinking sheared squares. That's what I like to do too. So, and just like that, some little pieces I probably need to sort out and just get into my bag that I have in my drawer over here of teeny tiny scraps that I can use for a snippet roll or a cluster. So that's the idea behind why I'm saying I still need to organize these. They're all together in this bag, but they're not organized. And then this is my scraps. This is all I have. I don't have bags and boxes. I use them as I make them. I try to use them. So I use them in the journal I'm making, and if I have some left over, I send them along to the person that buys the journal. It's in the goodie bag, right? So, but I do have some nice scraps in here. This piece of paper is like a piece of stationery that got torn right here. So that's why it's in here. This is a piece of cutoff from a vintage typing paper. There's lots of file folder scraps in here. There's scrapbook paper, book page scraps. You know how the scraps go. Just a little, anything and everything that is a scrap that I throw in here. So there's actually more than you think in here. And there's a lot of, on the top, I guess, is my bigger scraps that I've used recently. And on the bottom, the ones that I keep not using are smaller scraps, which probably for me are harder to use, as far as I just need to buckle down and do something like, what's on our list here and make some tags out of them, and masterboards and things, whatever I can make out of them, right, and use them up. So that's going to be our goal to, maybe we can all empty our scrap boxes and bags and our, paper scrap, use up all our paper scraps and fabric scraps, and we can compare and see by the end of the year how much we've used, how much we have left, that type of thing. Wouldn't it be neat if we could use all of our scraps, or at least have them organized? But wouldn't it be neat if we could use them all by the end of 2022 and start out 2023 with no scraps, empty boxes and bags, right? So anyway, check out Maria's announcement video today. We both posted one today at the same time, and I'll have her channel link below. I'll have this list link below, and just you can comment under this video. Make sure you're a subscriber if you're going to participate to both of our channels. If you're going to participate in the collab, like our video and comment under. You don't have to comment under both of us, but it would be nice just to let us know that you're going to be participating. You can say I'll participate whenever I can, or I can't wait, I'll do it every month. Whatever you want to do. Open collab, it's up to you. Easy, simple, right? So let's kick this off and have a great 2022 using up our scraps. It's an easy, fun collab, and simple, no stress type of thing. That's what we like. So I will see you all in my next video, and I can't wait to see who is going to join us. I'm so excited. Thank you for watching today. Happy New Year again, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy crafting.